Hello friends. Last time we have studied about the chapter number 1 of science, living world and classification of microorganisms. Now, before going to the next topic, we'll revise the chapter number 1. I will conduct the total revision of important topics in the chapter number 1. So, very first, we have seen the need of classification and history of classification. What is the history of classification of organism? You can see in the chart the history of classification by different scientists. This living world was divided into various kingdoms by various scientists. In 1735, Carl Linnaeus, who has classified the living organism into two kingdoms, which are these Vegetalia and Animalia. Then after this, in 1866, scientist Haeckel classified the living organism into three kingdoms, which are these Protista, plants, and animals. Then 1925, scientist Chaton he classified this living organism into two kingdoms, like prokaryotes and eukaryotes. Then after this, in 1938, scientist Copeland he classified the living organism into four kingdoms, which are these Monera, Protista, plants, and animals. And after this, in 1969, Robert Hardin Whitaker he has classified the living organism into five kingdoms. So this is the history of classification. Now after that, we have studied about the living organisms are of two groups. They are classified into two main groups, which are these prokaryotes and eukaryote. This is prokaryote, this is eukaryote. Prokaryotes means all the initial organisms, they are included in prokaryotes. Now prokaryotes means which organisms? In the body cell of organism, nucleus is not surrounded by nuclear membrane. They are all prokaryotes. Yes, nucleus is not surrounded by nuclear membrane, means not true nucleus. And eukaryotic means nucleus is surrounded by nuclear membrane. They are called as a eukaryotes. Now according to this criteria, there was a criteria considered to classify these organisms, like complexity of cell structure, complexity of organisms, mode of nutrition, lifestyle, and phylogenetic relationship. So this was the criteria to classify this. So living organisms are classified into two main groups, like prokaryotes and eukaryotes. All the initial organisms they are included in prokaryotes. So kingdom Monera, all organisms belong to kingdom Monera, included in prokaryotes. Now eukaryotes are unicellular also and multicellular also. In unicellular organism, the kingdom Protista is included, and in multicellular organism, there are three kingdoms, like kingdom Fungi, kingdom Plantae, and kingdom Animalia. So kingdom Fungi, cell wall present, but organisms can't perform photosynthesis. Kingdom Plantae means all the plants, cell wall present, and organism can perform photosynthesis. And kingdom Animalia means all animals, no cell wall is there. So this is the classification of living organism. Now next, characteristics. The Whitaker five kingdom system is considered to classify the living organisms. There are so many living organisms are there, and Whitaker classified all the living organisms by considering all the criteria into five kingdoms. Which are these? Which are the five kingdoms? Kingdom Monera, kingdom Protista, kingdom Fungi, kingdom Plantae, and kingdom Animalia. Now see the characteristic in short. Kingdom Monera means all the bacteria are included in kingdom Monera. What are their characteristics? They are microscopic, very small, prokaryotes, microscopics, prokaryotes without well-defined nucleus. Examples है bacteria, yes, cyanobacteria, Bruglin algae. So these are all this. Now you can see these organisms included in this group, bacteria. See, these are the bacteria. So all the Monera, kingdom Monera, these are belongs from kingdom Monera. These bacteria are microscopic, prokaryotes. Nucleus is not surrounded by nuclear membrane, without developed nucleus. So this is the example for kingdom Monera. Now second, kingdom Protista. Kingdom Protista type है amoeba. You know, amoeba, see this figure. Amoeba body is made up of single cell, unicellular है, eukaryotic, well organized nucleus है. Paramecium, you can have the example also. This is paramecium. See, amoeba and paramecium are in the kingdom Protista, unicellular organisms. Now next kingdom है fungi. You know, what are the characteristics of fungi? You know, mushroom, very best example. Yes, this is the example of fungi. Mushroom, plants like their structure is plants like they are eukaryotic, lack of chlorophyll, they do not have chlorophyll in their body. Example है yeast, mushroom, molds. These are the examples of fungi. Now next kingdom है plantae. Means all the plants included in the kingdom of plantae. Green plants and other some insectivorous plants. Example, which are the types? Like fern. What are the characteristics? Multicellular, eukaryotic, autotrophic. Example, algae, mosses, fern and other plants. And next Animalia. Animalia, the example is frog type. They are multicellular, eukaryotic, heterotrophic, have sense organs. Examples say worms, snails and frogs. So these are the 5 kingdom system of classification by Whitaker. So which are the 5 kingdoms? Kingdom Monera, example है bacteria, cyanobacteria, blue-green algae, Protista like amoeba, they are unicellular eukaryotic, example amoeba, paramecium. Third kingdom है fungi, mushroom, yeast, molds, they are. Next है plantae like fur, multicellular eukaryotic, autotrophic है algae, mosses. And Animalia, frog, multicellular है, heterotrophic है and have sense organs, so worms, snails and others. So this is the classification of Whitaker. Now you can see the various examples, various figures that I have explained their characteristics. Like this is the Monera, the first kingdom Monera. This from Monera. Yes. Now this is the bacteriophage, paramecium. This is amoeba. This is bacteria. This is paramecium, fungi. Yes. And this is the euglena, and some viruses are also types of bacteria. Various types of bacteria are there. So this is the first topic, that is the Whitaker 5 kingdom system. So next video you will study about the classification of microorganisms. How microorganisms are classified, I will explain you next video.